And Steve from Estate Max here, coming to you from Dickerson, Maryland. That's right, we have a special two-day estate sale, Saturday and Sunday only in Dickerson. This is part one. It's a tool and garage heavy sale. Let me just give you a couple highlights. We're not totally set up, but we have a lot of things. There's wheelbarrows, there's lawn and garden, gas and gas can, tons of miscellaneous. That's a clean shot compressor machine. We do the accessories. We have several nice chainsaws. That's a Home Light, Craftsman. Lots of very nice power tools. We have that's a Craftsman. That's a plunge router. That's another plunge router. That's a power sander. It's a nice skill circular saw, really heavy duty, kind of industrial. Have a couple really nice long aluminum ladders, a ton of leftover wood, raw wood, plywood. Here's some more great power tools and accessories, including a Dremel, power sander, all the accessories to the Dremel, and tons of stuff to rummage through. It's really a fun picker's sale. Way too much stuff to organize. This will give you a feel for what we have. We'll have more later. Again, we're in Dickerson, Maryland. Saturday we open at 9 a.m. That's a really nice power edger. Saturday we open at 9 a.m. until 4 p.m. only. Nice hand truck. So come see Lori and Steve at Estate Max. Address will be announced on Thursday. Actually, it'll be announced on Friday since it's a Saturday sale. Let me show you what's in the outbuildings too. Of course, the entire house is open upstairs too. Probably most things will be on the first floor. Come in through the patio, please, on the back house. This is a little white outbuilding, cinder block building, the first one you come to. It's really packed. I pulled out a few things, but most of it is a picker's dream. How about that bandsaw? That's a really nice Ryobi bandsaw. Beautiful piece. All kinds of eclectic accessories and hardware buried in these cabinets. Accessories to the compressors, hand tools, a lot of hand tools. You can make an offer on things in here because there are way too many to price. But again, you're in the first outbuilding. It's mostly a make an offer zone. But come in, you'll find things that are pretty interesting. There's a grinder. We'll check out one more outbuilding. If you make it out to this back building, there's a riding lawnmower, a couple really nice ladders, and miscellaneous equipment in this building will be open for the sale. So again, this is Steve for Lori from Estate Max, saying two-day sale, Dickerson, Maryland, Saturday, Sunday open, 9 a.m. Whole interior of the house will be done too. We're not done filming yet. Call with any questions. This is Steve, 240-457-7097. Check our full ad on estatesales.net and estatesales.org. Just search for Dickerson.